This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap.
This is the James Dix Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott. Standard & Poor's said that the American economy is in a recession, which is projected to be short and mild, while oil will likely trade at $91 a barrel by the end of the year, though the range of that forecast is a plus or minus $50. The report also said that housing has been in a recession for the past couple of years, subtracting more than a percentage point from GDP in 2007. Sales of new homes, meantime, plunged in March to the lowest level in 16 and a half years as housing slumped further at the start of the spring sales season. Commerce reports sales of new homes dropped by 8.5% last month. Initial claims for jobless benefits decreased 33,000 to a seasonally adjusted 342,000. That in the week ending April 19th. That from a revised 375,000. New orders for long-lasting U.S.-made goods unexpectedly fell 0.3% in March after transportation orders slumped and a key gauge of corporate investment appetite held steady. Another business news today, the owner of Arby's shaved roast beef sandwich restaurants, they're buying Wendy's, the fast food chain famous for its made-to-order square hamburgers and its chocolate frosty dessert. The price? $2 billion. Triarch Companies said it'll pay about $2.34 billion in an all-stock deal. Scheduled economic reports coming out on Friday, only one big one, consumer sentiment, that being for the month of April. Earnings today, and there were a lot of them. Apple earning $1.05 billion or $1.16 a share. That's 9 cents per share better than the average analyst estimate. Ford Motor Company surprising Wall Street with a $100 million profit in the first quarter, as strong results from Europe and South America helped offset the impact of a slumping U.S. economy that cut car and truck sales in its main market. ConocoPhillips reporting net income rising $4.14 billion or $2.62 a share. On average, analysts were looking for $2.42. Amazon's earnings in January through March quarter climbed 29% to $143 million or 34 cents a share. Analysts were looking for 32 cents a share. And Motorola said its first quarter loss widened as sales in the company's key handset unit fell 39%. The company said it lost $194 million or 9 cents a share. Analysts were expecting 7-cent loss per share. Scheduled earnings on Friday include Ericsson, Goodyear Tire and Rubber, Honda, Johnson Outdoors, and Clear Channel Communications. Some of the stocks in the news today. Walmart Sam's Club stores are limiting sales of some rice to 4 bags per member because of what it calls supply and demand trends. Aflac said first quarter net income came in at $474 million or 98 cents a share. That's up 14% from last year. Credit Suisse Group swung to a first quarter net loss after taking 5.3 billion Swiss francs in write-downs for big buyout loans and mortgage securities. And T. Rowe Price Group reporting first quarter net income of $151.5 million or 55 cents a share. That's the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott, and this is the James Dix Financial Network.